All right, punk, that's what you get. I'm gonna show you the video now. All right, hopefully the piece of junk you gave me will start. There you have it, Robbie. Sounds great. I'm in love with it. Took me a while, but I got it. Bye. Hey YouTube, how you doing today? Here we are. We're working on the bus today. Just decided to put it in a little clip on what I did to it recently. I have not posted anything because I haven't been able to work on it because it's been pouring over here. Pouring all week long. And I'm looking at this thing and I'm ready to tackle it, but I don't want to work on a wet vehicle. I don't like water going down my neck. Anyhow, I put the motor in there. I put new bushings and new things and new boots on the axles and transmission mounts front and back, cleaned the gas tank out, sending unit, and those little things that drive you nuts. And so we got it in there, and it took me about 45 minutes to put this motor in because I'm new to this Volkswagen stuff, and I laugh because people say, I'll put a Volkswagen motor in 3 minutes. Yeah, okay. All right, you'll be all set. So that's it for today on this. I got to do some electrical work, the fuel lines and things like that. I hope I don't have to pull this thing back out. I'm sure I won't. But she's running good and everything. The engine. Still haven't started it with it in there yet, obviously. And also done some more work on the the side rocker. So I'm getting that ready. And getting ready to continue. And I gotta fix that little junker right there, which I have the piece already. So today was the first day out of almost 8 days without rain. So I'm really happy to get back working on it. That's why I haven't posted anything. Also, on this side, remember how the wheel was jerseyed out, the arch? It had the big whoosh. So I made my own patch panel, the ends in there. I still got to do that side. Haven't gotten around to that because that's when it first started to rain. And I put it in there. I think it looks good. You can't see it from an airplane, so it looks good. I got to fix that, and the other. That's coming up. One thing at a time. There's my new boots, which I put in there. Might as well. It was out of the car, so do it there and then. And then we'll rock the rocker. Gotta do the inners and outers. So I'll show you. I actually have that side rocker already made, but I gotta do the inside part, which I also have. Like I said, I haven't had a chance with the rain. Oh boy. So here's the inside rocker that I made right there. So that's gonna go on the other side right there. I also made this side, so should be pretty good. Walk around here, excuse me, and I'll show you the long rocker, which I also fabricated with hand tools, pliers, and all that stuff. And there she is, nice and round. Got the nice curve on it. Got the nice piece. So I'll just cut it to size. And I'll trim it, cut it. I gotta trim all that and make it right. I'll show you a video of that when that time comes. Hopefully soon, because I'm dying to see this thing welded up. I'm sick of seeing those holes on the side of this doggone thing. So yeah, also the front, I haven't done much to the front. Oh, put new lights on there. Whoa! And I still got to do a little bit of the inside. That's why I haven't really messed too much with it. And of course, you know, that's what rain does right there. But luckily, I have a sandblaster and I'll blast that out and clean it up really nice. There's the other eggshell or fried egg. And I'll want to be welding this up pretty soon. So that's all good, fellas. I appreciate it. Gotta start making these pieces up. Right now, prices are just getting ridiculous for everything. Terrible. And wait. I don't want to sit here and nag, but you guys gotta have to start learning how to fabricate because it's getting rough out there. So there we are. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video. I'll keep working on it. I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully by the end of this week, I should have another video of it. I'm gonna run some wires and do some electrical to it because I want to get this bus at least that I can move it back and forth. So I don't have to push it around anymore. So that would help me out a lot in moving forward with the project. All right, so there she is. The old crunchy bus. We're gonna have fun with this thing, trust me. These are the fun ones. No pretty stuff here. Decent, but not show quality. Don't care for that. That's up for other people, not for me. But I do like them done right. Figure it out. All right, guys, till next time. I appreciate you so much. God bless you always. Bye-bye.